Hey everyone! If you're like me, finding time to clean your home amidst our busy lives can be a real challenge. But what if I told you there's a gadget that could change the way you clean forever? Enter the AIRROBO T20 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Let's dive into why this little machine might just be the hero we've all been waiting for. First up, the AIRROBO T20 Plus isn't just any vacuum, it's a powerhouse designed to make your life easier. With a 60-day dustbin capacity thanks to its self-emptying feature, you can practically forget about vacuum maintenance for 2 whole months. How cool is that? But it doesn't stop there. This vacuum is smarter than your average bot. With advanced home mapping technology, it navigates your space with precision, ensuring no corner is left untouched. Whether you're dealing with hard floors or carpets, the T20 Plus gets the job done, and let's not forget, it's a pro at tackling pet hair too. Now let's talk convenience. You can control this robot not just through its app but also via Wi-Fi, Alexa, or even a remote control. Planning a cleaning schedule while you're away from home? Absolutely possible. And with a runtime of 180 minutes, it's perfect for larger homes, covering more ground with less effort. And for those of you who crave that extra sparkle, the mop function is a game changer. It means the AIRROBO T20 Plus doesn't just vacuum, it mops your floors too, providing a comprehensive clean that leaves your space looking and feeling fresh. So, whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or someone who just hates spending Saturdays with a mop and bucket, the AIRROBO T20 Plus might just be the solution you've been looking for. It's about taking back your time and letting technology do the heavy lifting. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to cleaner, smarter, and simpler home living with the AIRROBO T20 Plus. Catch you in the next one.